Welcome to Scratch the Brain. Today, we're demystifying how Wi-Fi transmits data. This invisible process is happening around us all the time, enabling us to connect and communicate wirelessly. Firstly, let's talk about radio waves. These invisible highways carry data in the form of waves, just like how light and sound travel. They are the backbone of wireless data transmission. Routers act as traffic directors. They receive data from the internet via cable, convert it into radio waves, and send it to your device. They also do the reverse, sending data from your device back to the internet. Data packets are the carriers of information. They are small units of data sent over the internet. Your device reassembles these packets into the information you requested, like a web page or a video. Wi-Fi uses specific frequency bands, primarily 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Think of these as different lanes on a highway. The 2.4 GHz band offers longer range, while the 5 GHz band delivers faster speeds over shorter distances. The actual information is encoded onto radio waves through a process called modulation. Techniques like quadrature amplitude modulation, or QAM, change the signal's properties such as amplitude and phase to represent digital ones and zeros. A key technique in modern Wi-Fi is OFDM, or orthogonal frequency division multiplexing. This clever method splits data into many smaller simultaneous streams, making transmission faster and more reliable, even in crowded areas. Wi-Fi operates under specific standards defined by the IEEE 802.11 protocol. You may know them as Wi-Fi 5, also called 802.11ac, and Wi-Fi 6, also known as 802.11ax. Each new standard improves speed, efficiency, and support for more connected devices. Interference is the enemy of fast Wi-Fi. Other devices using similar radio frequencies, such as microwaves or Bluetooth devices, can disrupt the signal. The 5 GHz band is usually less crowded, resulting in a more stable connection. So that's how Wi-Fi works. It is a fascinating process where data is encoded, transmitted through radio waves, and reassembled in an instant. Thanks for joining us on this digital journey.
Like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.